Hey Rob, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. As I was on the phone with you earlier today, just want to get you a little video of showing you some tips and tricks on how to improve your online presence. So one of the things that I like to go over is content, backlinks, and citations, and what those do to help you improve your online presence, help you rank in Google, and help you gain more leads. So the content on the pages, Google uses content to basically help you be searchable and help push you up in the rankings of local searches. And within the content, you would need to have keywords related to your products and services that Google will find and pinpoint what you serve or what you do, and then helps you be relatable to the people that are searching for what you have to offer. So Google also looks for about 1,500 words of content, sometimes 2,000, depends on what your competition has. Looks like you have actually a pretty good amount of content here. I'd say you got probably about 800 words here, so definitely could use some improvement on the content. Boost up the content with the keywords. That would definitely help raise your ranking within Google. Anyway, like I was saying before, keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service. And then in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So, like your instance, it'd be fencing. So then you would do a bunch of keywords related to your fencing, so that Google knows that's exactly what you're trying to sell or trying to provide to people. So that makes it easier for people to find you. Your competition here in Caldwell, since that's where you're based out of, I understand you have location pages, but we'll just go base it off of Caldwell for now. Kodiak Fencing is your number one competition in Caldwell. Looking at their page, they don't necessarily have a whole lot of content to provide, so that's actually good in your favor, because then it's more easily be surpassable, easy to outrank them with content and keywords, because they don't have as much. So just because they're ranked higher than you doesn't mean it's not impossible to pass them. Just a little bit of tweaking for your website and you could definitely surpass them in rankings. So I like to use this website called Ahrefs, and it shows me how many keywords and how many backlinks that websites have. For your website, you have 15 keywords that are used throughout your website. And then you have referring domain backlinks 146. So what backlinks are is anywhere you find a website linking to another website via a hyperlink. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others on Google, which Google uses to build trust in your business for seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins websites pointing at them. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevant to your industry, and local websites will work best. So this here is your trust meter and your power meter. Trust within Google is 9 out of 100, and your power is 0 out of 100. So I'm guessing that your backlinks aren't as strong. It looks like they're pretty low power here, but it wouldn't be very hard for you to find more backlinks and referring domains, more trustworthy referring domains, to be able to put your hyperlink, your website to be referred back to you, so that Google can trust you more. So that's easily doable. With Kodiak Fencing, they have, 32 organic keywords, and loading 179 backlinks. Their trust is trust is 16, and their power is 0.2. So they're also pretty low. So it might just be luck of the draw what particular keywords they're using that might be ranking them a little bit higher than you. But again, this would be easily surpassable with just some extra changes on your website, giving you some more backlinks, getting some more keywords and more content in there. Definitely help you out. And their backlinks are pretty low power as well. So yeah, definitely could help improve just by those little minor things there. Next thing I want to talk about is citations, and basically what that is when you Google search, somebody Google searches fence companies in Caldwell. So first thing you see, you got ads here, but then you see the Google Map pack. Citations is what gets you ranked on Google Map pack, and from what looks like you're on the front page of the Google Map pack, which is awesome. That means you have enough citations and to get you ranked on front page of the Google Map pack. And a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as they are listed on Google Business Profile. The citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. So it looks like this is definitely helping you. Other places you can put your citations if you haven't already is Yelp, BBB, even Facebook has its own directory you can use, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. So citations include directories like the ones I just said, and the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely is you'll rank above them. So again, you've ranked above your competitors quite a bit here in Caldwell. So it just takes a little bit of work on your main front page on your website, and you can definitely outrank them as well on the organic listings of Google. So once your content and backlinks and citations come together, you can start to outgrow your competition, which in turn will give you more leads and more revenue. And that's what we all like to see. So I know you do, and I know definitely I would if I had your business. So I mean, you can even use more keywords, many more keywords out there to help with more traffic and leads. And like I was saying before, if you did individual location pages, had content and keywords in those, and had a little bit more content keywords in each your back pages for your services, it definitely help you out with your listing and your ranking on Google. And this is what I do for a living. I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals. I can do research to find out exactly what it could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. If you find this information useful, feel free to reach out. Let me know. I'd love some feedback. Just want to know that it helped you out. Again, this is Tom with WFB Digital Solutions. You can reach me at any time, 208-402-8268. I'd be happy to help answer any questions. Door's always open. So really hope this helps, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks, sir.